Yeah, you cooked that really bad.
That's pretty bad. Need boon.
Ma'am. Relax.
This is the worst thing ever.
It's my burger.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Help.
No, bro.
Bro.
Hey, stop that.
Oh, let's go find the...
So basically,
Yeah, you cooked that really bad.
So take that out that we can... Bro.
You are going to regret that.
You are going to regret that.
Bro, what did you just say?
Per, why you hack?
Nobody is...
That who is hacking too, bro hacker these days. A person with data I grabbed.
I don't want to do this no more.
Not in my restaurant.
Okay, guys.
Are you serious?
Bro, please, bro.
What? Don't.
Boom.
How can you call that a burger? That's just some fries.
Why you... what he's doing?
Need a help lag.
We need a backup.
Is that really the best you can do?
Don't let them escape. They gave us a bad review.
I'm lost.
Wanna see me fall?
Well, I'm really about to beat your pickle cheese that boy. There you go, that come.